Hello. Hello. What's up, world? It's your man, Slim Jim Longfoot, aka the GOAT King of America. Welcome to this special video right here, the unboxing of my very first gift from my Amazon wishlist ever in life. Shout outs to Lady Capricorn Tarot, the young lady who got me this, who is also a member of the live chat crew. Mwah! Thank you very much. About to check it out. About to see what it do. All right. Find my keys. Where are my keys? Where are my keys? All right, here we go. Let's see. Purple. This bag is made from 100% recycled material. This is a nice bag. Enjoy, my friend, from Rosa, Lady Capricorn Tarot. Hey. Fancy bag. A 12-inch flexible tripod for smartphones and cameras. Woo woo! Woo woo woo! In St. Clair, you say woo woo woo. It's a 360-degree ball head, can grip almost any surface, lightweight and ultra flexible legs. Sturdy Tiger. That's the name of it. Sturdy Tiger is the name of this here. We're about to go ahead and let's see. Get up in here like so. I don't know. Let's see. I'll do it this way. There it is, y'all. Look at that. That thing bending. Okay, bending. Okay, bending. All right, here go the thingamabobby. Let's see here. Okay. 360-degree ball head. So, and here is the control. One of my friends, shout out to my friend Jenny. She got a control like that. Let's see. Okay, that's Android. That's for the Android phone, the camera, and that's for the iOS camera. Okay. Then we got this joint right here. Let's see. I think it goes up there like so. And you can screw it like this. We're gonna screw it on like so. Like that. And that is 360 too. Or, so you got either this thing right here that you can use, or you got this thing right here that you can use. So let's see, if I take this off, take this off, I can use this. That's what I'm assuming. I guess this would be for like if you had like your camera or really your phone. Let's see. Let me see. Where's my phone? Oh, it's in my pocket. Camera. Phone. Fit. Let's see. Camera. Do it extend? Maybe it does extend. Oh wait. I see the other joints. Let's see. Or do we go like this? Do that. Go like that. Ah, there it is. Okay. So you can either screw it on that way, or you can screw it on. Ah, gotcha. So now, I'll try that again. In there. It's in there. It's in there. Hey. Hey. So now I gotta figure out where I can prop it. You know, because I'm not at a desk, so I'll have to figure out where I can prop it. What would be a good spot to prop it? I don't know. We're gonna figure this out. Okay. And then, oh, you know what? Forgot this thing right here. It can stand. So with that being said, it would do a little something like this. It could be like, you know what I'm saying? Turn it this way and be like, okay, I'm gonna turn you around this way, and then gonna boom, aim you down like so, and then gonna be like, you know, like, bam, whoop, there it is, whoop, there it is, and bam. There it is. That part. Basically breakdown. Like so. And be able to like, yeah. Phone, take it away. Hey. Shout outs to Lady Capricorn Tarot for this tripod right here. Now that I can be hands free when I do live streams. I can be hands free when I do live streams with, you know what I'm saying, drawing now. So tonight or whenever I do another drawing stream again, It's gonna be raw. It's gonna be raw, dog. Hey, mwah. Love you, my fellow Capricorn sister. Hey, for anybody else, if you got a wish list, make sure, you know what I'm saying, you know, if you're a content creator, post up your wish list on your channel. Let folks know what your wish list be by. And you know what I'm saying, and for anybody, you know, birthday in 11 more days, I'm just saying, I ain't got much on my wish list, and you know, it's just a little something. So yo, I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, for checking out this video. Please do like, share, subscribe to the channel. Keep up on all things Slim Jim Longfoot, such as my, you know, daily vlogs that I do, my art video series, GOAT 1408 TV, my how-tos for the small YouTubers, my live streams, and much, much more to come. You know what I'm saying? Let's end 2020 with a bang. We still here. We still breathing, baby. Meantime, between times, I'm about to skedaddle, y'all. Peace.
Tell them don't waste my time. Tell them don't waste my time. Tell them don't waste my time.